补，补，左右结构，部首是一字旁，共七画。
The radical
一
is commonly known as
一字旁，
when used as a left side radical
一
is written as
一字旁，
Chinese characters with the radical
一
or
一字旁，
are usually related to clothing or fabric.
简体字补，原来的意思是古人用火灼龟甲，根据裂纹来预测吉凶，叫补。
The simplified character
补
originally referred to the ancient practice of divination by burning turtle shells and interpreting the cracks to predict good or bad fortune.
补像裂开的形状，在这里表示衣服裂开了需要补上，后引申为修补。
The character resembles a crack, symbolizing the need to mend something that is torn. This evolved into the meaning of repair.
繁体字符是美好之意，表示缝补使之完好。
The traditional character signifies beauty, representing the act of mending to restore something to its original condition.
符在这里不是指将破损了的衣服缝补后又成为一件可以穿的好衣服。
In this context,
补
refers to repairing damaged clothing so that it can once again be a wearable and beautiful garment.
例句：妈妈帮我补衣服。
Did you get it? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.